I tried MEW Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the MEW Wallet app, short for Me Other Wallet, I expected a simple Ethereum wallet. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that MEW is far more powerful than most people realize. It's not just a wallet, it's a full-on decentralized gateway to the Ethereum ecosystem. On day 1, I set up the app, and I was impressed by how easy it was. No email, no kick, just a secure key and instant access. MEW is 100% non-custodial, which means you have full control of your crypto, no middleman, no frozen funds, no surprises. By day 2, I started exploring its features. You can hold Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, but also interact directly with decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. Within the same app, I swapped it for UST in minutes, no signups, no delays. By day 4, I tried connecting to DeFi platforms. MEW lets you access staking, lending and NFT marketplaces directly through the wallet. It's like having a DeFi control center in your pocket. Midweek, I experimented with the in-app browser, and that's when I understood MEW's real edge. You can use decentralized apps without ever leaving the wallet. It's like MetaMask, but built specifically for mobile and with a much smoother interface. By the end of my test, I realized the shocking truth. MEW Wallet is perfect for anyone who wants full control without sacrificing usability. Most wallets either lock you into a centralized system or overwhelm you with tech jargon. MEW finds the balance: power, privacy, and freedom in one place. If you're serious about Ethereum or DeFi, MEW Wallet is worth your time. It's not about trading hype coins or chasing rewards, it's about owning your assets and exploring the blockchain the way it was meant to be used.